Namaskar. Today's topic is Career Advancement Scheme from Level 10 to 11 for Assistant Professor. I request the new viewers to please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. The Career Advancement Scheme, which is called CAS, from Assistant Professor Academic Level 10 to Level 11 in colleges and universities is governed by UGC Regulation 2018 and subsequent amendments, which requires the following prerequisites. And the assistant professors have the choice to choose UGC Regulation 2010 as well. So here we go. Eligibility criteria. Minimum service is 4 years of regular service in academic level 10 assistant professor. Required qualification, PhD degree in the relevant discipline, or if the assistant professor does not have a PhD degree, then 5 years of service is level 10 is required instead of 4. Participation in the orientation and refresher course. One orientation program of 4 weeks duration and one refresher course or faculty development program of 2 weeks duration or equivalent as per UGC norms. So what we have seen till now is assistant professor level 10 to level 11 CAS. Minimum requirement is 4 years regular service in level 10 with PhD or 5 years without PhD. Orientation program and refresher course. Orientation program of 4 weeks and refresher course or faculty development program, which is called FDP, 2 weeks duration or equivalent. Further, academic refresher requirements. Student feedback. If available, institutions are expected to consider student evaluation feedback where applicable available. Annual performance appraisal report (APARS), satisfactory or good (APARS) for the period under consideration. Performance based appraisal system. The candidate must meet the minimum API, that is academic performance indicator, scores in category 1 teaching and related activities and category 2 professional development program co-curricular एक्सटेंशन एक्टिविटीज़. सो API होना और गुड API होना ज़रूरी है. API स्कोर वी विल डिस्कस लेटर. स्क्रीनिंग सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस. देर इज़ नो इंटरव्यू और सिलेक्शन कमेटी एट दिस स्टेज. द स्क्रीनिंग कम evaluation committee will assess the APARS academic contributions, feedback and fulfillment of eligibility. Prerequisites and eligibility conditions. Criteria. Minimum service, as we have already checked, 4 year in level 10 with PhD or 5 year without PhD. Educational qualification as per UGC norms, masters plus NET, SLAT or SET plus PhD for 4 year eligibility. Mandatory course, 1 orientation program 4 weeks, 1 refresher course FDP 2 weeks. Performance reports, satisfactory or good APARS for the assessment period. Student feedback to be considered if available. So here what we have seen, prerequisite 4 year with PhD, 5 year without PhD. UGC norms, master degree with PhD, NET, SLAT and SET, 4 year eligibility. Mandatory course, orientation program 4 weeks, refresher program 2 weeks, satisfactory or good APAR with student feedback if available. Minimum API score requirements, that is PBAC based. As per UGC Regulation 2018, the candidate must achieve the following minimum API scores during the assessment period each year. तो इसके लिए minimum API स्कोर करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. API कैटेगरी 1 टीचिंग लर्निंग एंड इवेल्यूशन रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज़ 75 पर असेसमेंट ईयर. तो 75 मार्क्स लाना ज़रूरी है कैटेगरी 1 में. टीचिंग लर्निंग एक्टिविटी TLM, टीचिंग लर्निंग इवेल्यूशन रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज़. कैटेगरी 2 प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट करिकुलर एक्सटेंशन एक्टिविटीज़ 15 मार्क्स पर असेसमेंट ईयर. तो टोटल 90 मार्क्स is to be scored, so API should be equal to 90 minimum. Then you can be considered for CAS, that is Career Advancement Scheme from level 10 to 11 for assistant professors. These scores must be consistently maintained throughout the 4 or 5 year assessment period. So each year you have to score 90 marks minimum. Screening and evaluation process. Promotion is done through a screening cum evaluation committee. No interview or selection committee process is required. Committee verifies eligibility conditions, qualification, service duration. So screening cum evaluation committee promotion को consider करेगी. No interview or selection committee process is required. Committee verifies eligibility conditions, qualification, service and service duration, completion of mandatory orientation refresher course, consistent API performance and APAR. तो ये 3 चीज़ें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जो कि कमेटी चेक करेगी. एलिजिबिलिटी कंडीशन होनी चाहिए, आपका क्वालिफिकेशन हो, सर्विस ड्यूरेशन हो, आपकी कंप्लीशन ऑफ मैंडेटरी ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम्स, रिफ्रेशन प्रोग्राम हो, कंसिस्टेंट API स्कोर हो 90 का और अपार गुड होनी चाहिए आपकी. स्टूडेंट फीडबैक अवेलेबल है तो वो भी. रिक्वायर्ड डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, वेरीफाइड PBAS API score sheets for each year with supporting evidence, APARs for the assessment period, certificate of orientation program and refresher /FDP, PhD degree certificate if claiming the 4-year route, service record, certificate of experience in level 10. The documents, so this document summarizes the key requirements for CAS promotion from assistant professor level 10 to 11 under the UGC regulation 2018 as amended. तो हमने देखा लेवल 10 to 11 कैश प्रमोशन के लिए क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है. फॉर इंस्टीट्यूशनल यूज़ द कैंडिडेट में प्रिपेयर अ सेल्फ असेसमेंट रिपोर्ट अलॉन्ग विथ सपोर्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंट एंड सबमिट दैम टू द स्क्रीनिंग कमेटी एज पर द प्रिस्क्राइब्ड शेड्यूल. सो हेयर वी हैव सीन द टोटल प्रोसेस, मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट एंड अदर थिंग्स what are required for assistant professors career advancement scheme from level 10 to 11. So main things what we have noted is for PhD 4 years, without PhD 5 years. आपको FDP करना होगा और रिफ्रेशर कोर्स करना होगा. आपके अपार गुड होने चाहिए एंड स्टूडेंट फीडबैक अवेलेबल हो तो वो. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening to the video. Please tune in to other videos in the channel.